All right, guys, Adam here with American Epoxy Arizona. Here's the completed floor. You guys are cleaning up right there. You can just see the glare off of it. We got a lot of anti-slip in here because it's a machine shop. Well, it's an auto repair shop actually. So we don't want guys slipping around. We patched all the expansion joints, saw cuts actually, technically. But you can just see, I mean, from what this floor looked like before to what it looks like now, unbelievable transformation of this place. So this is the second building we've done for this guy. So there you can have it, man. We got a moisture vapor barrier, epoxy coating, top coated polyurethane, anti-slip additive. Really could not be happier with this turnout. Anybody's thinking about a coating like this, give us a holler, 833 Epoxy AZ, www.americanepoxy.com. Check out the website. We got a lot of pictures as well. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye-bye now.